Hello. Are you the most popular person here today?
I am.
I bet you are. Selling tie-dye?
Yes, sir.
Very cool.
And whatever comes our way, yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of the guns at once and explode into space. I like smoke and lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, and the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never wanna die. Born to be wild. Born to be wild. Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. Like the true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never wanna die. Born to be wild. Born to be wild.
Surprise the face, talks about the people going under. Only child, for is to unlock the door, while those around them criticize and sleep. Through a fractal on a breaking wall, I see you, my friend, and touch your face again. Miracles will happen as we dream. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little crazy.
Come on up, Walt. Walt's my shuttle guy. He's been shuttling people in and out to the parking lot all day. So give it up for Walt.
Can't walk anymore, but it's all right.
So listen, this is what runs this organization to put on these events for you. It's my directors, our volunteers, our committee members. There's a lot going on. Linda, my God, we couldn't do half of this without Linda here as well. But special recognition for my officers and my directors. Give it up for Mr. Vincente Carranza, Mr. Rich Viener, Mr. Jeff DeBenny, Mr. Jack Cherry, Mr. Matt Gordon, Manuel Silvera, our new treasurer, right? Make sure we got enough money, okay? Mr. Kenny Kenyon, my vice president, Walter Gotro, Bill Reese, another director, Linda Wilcox, stand up. Everybody knows Linda, but want to give everybody a hand. We couldn't do it without all these guys, man. I'm telling you right now. Good crew, and Karen Gotro is right where she is. She's busy transactioning. My secretary that keeps us honest right here, Karen Gotro. All right.
No, that's you at your greatest amount of work. You are laboring right now.
I'm in labor right now.